Jingle bells, jingle bells.
Morning everyone, welcome to my vlog. Welcome back on my channel. Welcome back to Vlogmas. Welcome if you're new. I'm Adri and this is, I believe, day 9 or 10 of Vlogmas. I have quite lost count at this point. We've missed a day because I was out on my Christmas party, but I have some footage from you, short couple of clips, so you can see exactly what happened during that day. Got off the train and it's so weird vlogging in public. I've never done it before, especially in a busy city like London. But I'm now heading towards the building where we're gonna have our first part of the Christmas party, which is about 15 minutes away from the train station. And then we'll see what happens. I'll try to shoot as much footage as possible for you guys, but I also want to be in the moment, so we'll see what we're gonna have at the end of the day. And I hope you can hear me because London is loud. And now that we're back home, you can see I still have my curls, but this is my outfit. I don't know if you can actually see, but I have my pajama top, then I have this hoodie, and then I have pajama bottoms as well, just because I woke up like super tired. We came back home yesterday. I was home at around 10, so not super late, but I was so tired. It was such an intense day, but such a fabulous day. Like, we finally met everyone. I'm working from home, I'm working remotely, and my entire team is. And so we haven't actually seen each other face to face in ever. I've only met like 2 people within my team from the past year, and then everyone else was new, so I didn't get the chance to meet everyone face to face. But anyways, it was super fabulous, and now I'm starving. It is currently 1 o'clock. I've had work and calls and presentations and stuff that went great today, but I haven't actually had a chance to eat anything, so now I'm gonna cook something. The house is also a little bit like, I have my jacket and stuff from last night that I just throw on here, and then I still haven't thrown away this amount of rubbish, so we're gonna do this right now while the food is cooking. I'm gonna make some fries in the oven with an egg and some feta cheese on top, and that's gonna be my lunch. And then I want to tidy up and then focus on work, and I really want to play Age of Empires tonight. Like, I have this urge that I really want to play Age of Empires. I've had a dream that I was in sort of an Age of Empires world. I don't know if you've ever played this game. I used to when I was young. It's like a strategy game when you're building your empire and you're growing and you're like conquering the empires around you, but I really want to play it, so I found it online. I mean, I can download it and play it, and that's what I want to do this evening, like just chill, play that game and do nothing else. And now I'm really hungry, so let's make some food and tidy up this cluttered kitchen.
Let's go outside, the snow is falling down and every child is having so much fun. The snowman is twice the size as me, with a smile as quirky as mine. We're holding hands to keep each other warm while we stand and watch a choir performing all the Christmas songs that we love. Yeah, all the Christmas songs that we love. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause 'cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby.
Here's my lunch. I have some oven fries, an egg, and some feta cheese. I'm catching up on someone's Vlogmas and then we'll get back to work. I have a long to-do list over there. I'm not gonna show you because it's private stuff for work, but I gotta go through all of them and they're quite lengthy. So I'm gonna take them one by one, and now let's just eat. I have also just light up an incense stick. I made this myself. This is actually my hand. I made it out of clay, and I have all of these incense sticks, and some of them, like, yeah, I know what they are, like lavender and stuff, but I have a lot of them that are like myrrh, or like even these ones, like I don't know what they are. I'd love to learn, so I'm gonna do some research on that probably tomorrow. But now I have my to-do list, and I'm gonna do a chunk of 3 hours of deep work and get my to-do list done.